Today I'm excited because I'm in the Asian Inspirations kitchen. I'm with my man, Leslie Chan. Leslie, I love dumplings, and I reckon you might make a pretty good dumpling.
Yeah, I love to, Michael. I'm the best dumpling chef ever.
Ever?
I saw you do the lovely dumpling, but today we do a little bit East meet West.
Okay.
The ingredient, we got a lovely pork here.
Yes.
A little bit of herbs, like we got ginger and onions. And then of course we got lee kum kee soy sauce.
Yes.
Lee kum kee oyster sauce. And also with dumpling sauce.
I'm excited because I've made dumplings before, but I'm not great at rolling them, and I reckon you're going to be able to teach me the perfect way, me and our friends at home, the perfect way to roll
Sometimes people say, Leslie, when you do dumplings, it's very difficult.
Yes.
But today I will show you the easy way to do it. It tastes delicious, it looks great.
That's what we want to know. Delicious, great, and easy to do.
Yes.
All right,
let's start it. Okay.
Okay.
So we got a lovely pork here.
Yep.
So about 300 grams. And then so you got a lovely soy sauce here.
Yes.
So about half teaspoon.
See, I love this. This is how I cook.
Put in
half teaspoon. I don't measure it. Just goes in there.
And then oyster
You've done
sauce.
this so many times, you know exactly how much to put in.
In about 1 teaspoon.
Panda brand.
So all the Asian cooking or Chinese cooking about the taste.
Yes.
And the texture. So what I do, I also add about half teaspoon of the sesame oil.
Nice.
And then a dust of love. So a little bit of the...
A dust of love. I like that.
Like
A little bit of salt.
Salt and pepper. And also sugar as well.
I like that. A dust of love.
Yeah. And also we've got a lovely chicken stock here.
Okay.
At the end.
See, I wouldn't have done that to my dumplings. See, you're learning all the time with you, Leslie.
Yeah.
I love it.
But what we do now is this is the most important part. So sometimes when you pan fry the gyoza or pan fry the dumpling,
yes.
So you want to crisp it up.
Yep.
So and also inside is moist and tender. So what I do, I add a little bit of cornstarch in it. When you bite it, coming out juicy.
So that helps all the flavors stick together.
Yes. For the ginger, we just slice it.
Yep.
Just chop it and then get it small.
I'm glad you don't have your big cleaver here because you know that scares me. So I'm glad that we've just got a normal
So
knife.
not the fun part, okay? So what we do is julienne it.
Yep, I can do this. So far I'm with you.
Okay. Now here you go. We do this one.
This is.
And you can see how good it is. So this one I love cooking.
That is
Have
unbelievable.
fun and lovely. So now your turn, Michael. You can do it.
Oh, I've never seen that before.
Chan can cook, so can you.
I know. All right, here we go. Just.
Oh, lovely.
You have it with more control. It's like a drummer.
Beautiful.
Okay. So at home, if you didn't have crazy knife skills like you've got, could we just grate it or something?
Yeah, you can grate it, it's easier.
Yeah, beautiful. But if you want to have some fun at home,
Just make some fun.
do the Leslie slice.
So
The Leslie chop.
So next one we do the onion in it, so onion julienne.
Yeah. You can do that again with the onion?
It's okay. When you cook it,
Yeah.
so all the flavor from the ginger and also the spring it come out.
Yes.
The taste. And you bite it, it's so juicy in your mouth.
Because you're not going to cook it for that long, so they'll still be quite
Yes.
fresh. You'll still get nice crunch. The ginger will still be nice and warm.
Yes.
Love it. This is
So this is all done, Michael. Have smell again.
So it's next level now. You got the ginger in there. Just
Yeah, you
mix
can
it.
smell the ginger as well. It's lovely.
Yeah.
So we put in the fridge now.
Perfect.
For about half hour.
I love it. Okay, Leslie. So that's been marinating for about an hour in the fridge.
Yeah.
Now for the fun bit.
Yeah. Let me check it first. Oh, it's amazing, Michael. You did a good
Hang on.
job. So I think I saw you do a very good knife skill.
Yeah.
Next one we do a food skill.
This is what I'm nervous about. I can.
Are you
things.
confident?
No, not at all.
You put some inside.
I can do that bit.
About 20 grams.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna weigh it out.
Yeah, perfect.
Is it too much?
It's okay. And then you can use your finger to hold it, and then you hold your shape, and we combine the inside.
This is awesome.
So what we do now, we fold it in the end.
Yes.
So you put your finger here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's
Put it
so
here.
fast. 1,
2,
2, 3, 4. I've only on 4. How
Oh,
about that?
perfect. Look at that.
Yeah?
It's called gold nuggets. You know this one? Look at
Gold
that.
nugget.
Beautiful.
Not bad.
So we put some oil first.
I've got this one from you.
Oh, good on you.
Round the side. Look at
On the
that.
side. So put 1,
Okay.
one side,
Yeah.
and number 2. Do one in order. Make
All
it
the way
like
around.
one shape.
Okay. That far
Yeah,
away?
not too far, and don't stick together.
We're going to turn them out.
Yeah.
Huh?
So
See,
and then
never done
we
that
cook
either.
it. We put a plain flour and a water mixture. So that
sticks
steam
together.
can give the very good texture to the dumpling. Plain flour and water.
Yes.
The sound of love.
This is awesome. The sound of love. I like that.
Beautiful.
And so you just want to coat the bottom of the pan.
So they can see now what happens is when you cover it, you can see all the bar together.
You can see it.
Give crisp skin.
Okay.
And then when you cover it, the steam will cook the dumpling.
Love
so
it.
easy, so nice. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. Look at that.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
Beautiful.
nice.
You can see the golden color here as well.
That's exactly what you're talking about. Nice golden bottom.
Yeah, you can see on the plate. Or
Yes.
what I do, dumpling sauce.
Nice.
Panda is very good sauce.
Panda brand.
Yeah, Panda brand.
Love it.
Dumpling sauce is beautiful. Open it and put on.
I like
the plate. They got a vinegar in it. Also, they got a ginger and garlic, and also lovely soy sauce.
This isn't a steamed dumpling, it's a fried and steamed dumpling. So they've got the best of both worlds, right?
Yeah, dumpling they got a steam from the water.
Yes.
So the inside will be very moist and juicy.
I think they're very hot though, right?
Yes, okay. Nice and juicy. Oh, nice. So now
Nice
here we
and
go.
smelly.
We've got lovely pan-fried Shanghai dumpling.
I've got the best job in the world. Leslie, they're amazing. Do this at home.
Yeah, we're done. Easy.